I mean,
If you're just starting, man, if you're just starting and you don't have any money, don't get none of them. I started out with pen and paper. You just gonna have to do the work.
yeah.
Deal machine is to make everything efficient and easier. Okay, that's what it does. If you're driving for dollars, if you know you're the type of person that's going to drive for dollars 2 or 3 times and give up, don't get either one of them, man. Just use pen and paper like I did when I'm starting out. But if you know, hey, look, I'm gonna use this thing and work until I get a deal, then deal machine could be the way to go. If you have money to because you can pull comps on the free service like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com. Just pay attention to the sold. Pay attention to the sold. Don't pay attention to Zestimates and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So with Propstream, if you know you're going to be cold calling, you know you're going to be and one thing I like about Propstream, you get 10,000 leads per month, right? So per month. One thing I like about them is you can pull that, but there's no need to get 10,000 leads a month if you have no ability to work those leads. So maybe hold off on Propstream, and hold off on both of them. Just use pen and paper like I did. And you put them in an Excel sheet and skip trace them, and yeah, man, you just gotta do the ways of just gotta be creative to save your money. You just gotta think. And being that when me and Zach started off broke, we had no choice but to think because we didn't have money to just throw at all these tools.
I'm telling you right now, that bandit sign right there, I had lost $300. I spent it all in there. I kept one, literally no money left, put it up to faith, and it came through. So blessed for that too. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.